Hi, today... What? Christmas? It's not Christmas anymore. Wrong theme, sorry. Anyway, back to the video. Hi. So I recently got a broken PS4. Yay! Remember my video where I talked about the broken PS3? This time it's practically an outbreak to talk about the broken PS4. Parts. And what better to start than take out this first screw, which is a torque. So with a torque screwdriver, which is in this case this one, and unscrew it. And here we are. Look it out. After that's done, you need to hit the rest of the PS4 and pull it down. And no, without break, and what not with breaking, you have to put this cover, which was once over here, down over here, and the bottom should come off pretty easily, and nothing broke. And that's a record. Great. So now, and there's also the switch, which I have to take out. So there's a switch over here, and we like that. And this is not needed anymore, and it goes to junk. And now we deal with the rest of the PS4. So now this switch is connected to the circuit board of the switching and the rest of the PS4, which is held by some Torx and some Phillips screws. Let's unscrew them. And after taking out this wire, we have released this board, and after taking out the slider, we have taken out the switch control power board, which controls the interpretation of the switch. Which goes to salvage because there's some useful parts on it. Salvage circuit board. Now let's deal with the rest of the PS4. And there's a huge fan over here. Excellent. Now let's take out the rest of the parts. Over here, the power supply, the fan, and the laser, and the motherboard is somewhere down here. Well, down here at the very bottom of the PS4. So let's start by taking out the power supply. After taking out all the screws and using a bit of force, but not too much, on both sides, as you're seeing, power supply comes out, salvage, and boy, there's lots of good parts in it. We'll deal with those later. And this time I didn't break anything, unlike the PS3. I guess I learned my lesson. Salvage. Now we have the bigger fish to fry. We have the motherboard, which is deep down. We'll deal with that later. The DVD drive, the DVD burner, and the computer cooling fan. The fans we use for a very powerful generator, which is excellent. But first we'll deal with the DVD player. To take out the wire. Going through it. Yes! As you're seeing, we've taken out the DVD drive, and it looks good, mind you. We'll do that later. Salvage. Now to take apart the rest, you have to press the driver and pull it out and try not to break anything. That is, and to take out the connections like that, and take out the first piece of plastic. And thing as this is not needed, as always. Junk. Anyway, we have to do the game on the second. Well, on the second part, we didn't do that for now. We have access to some components like the hard drive. Good. Let's take out the hard drive. And now as you're seeing the motherboard. And to my lack of intelligence, this broke. I'm an idiot. Anyway, this part's not needed. Throw it away. Anyway. Oh, sorry, toaster. Anyway. Now, we have to take out... We have access to the motherboard. And which is the humongous circuit board in this. And we've taken all these torque screws. We can get to the motherboard. Let's do that. And the metal part which is over the motherboard, which is also not needed. Air rape alert. Trash. And then here we have the motherboard, which, because we unscrewed most of the screws, should come off with each after we take out the connectors, and also unscrew the screws on the motherboard which hold it as well, which are these. So here, this part is not needed, and this is just for heat sinking tiny components. And as we do that, as you're seeing, the motherboard is really loose, and we can take it out. Then have to take out these USB connectors over here, USB ports. Have to take those out as well.